In this video, we will see easy decoupage art. Hello everyone, welcome to Full of Jeevan. Subscribe to Full of Jeevan and hit the bell icon to never miss a notification. Materials required: Patanjali Chwanprash bottle. This has a nice shape. Acrylic colors. Paint brushes. Decoupage glue. Colorful tissue paper. Decorative lace. Fabric glue. Let's start. I'm going to remove the label of the bottle. Once the label is removed, clean and neat, nice shaped bottle is ready. Let's apply one coat of glue on the bottle before we start painting. Allow to dry, preferably sun dry. After the bottle is dried, I am painting the bottle with Camel Fabrica acrylic colors. I am using yellow ochre. Paint the bottle completely. Apply 2 to 3 coats to give rich color. Once painting is done, allow the bottle to dry. I am taking the bird with the nest picture from the tissue paper. I am going to tear it using my hand. Usually we don't use scissors when doing decoupage art. Peel the excess paper and keep the thin layer from the napkin. I will show you how it looks when it is separated. So we have to separate the layer. If we tear it with the hand, it is easy to peel the layer. First apply glue on top of the bottle. Place the napkin cutout paper on top of the glue. Apply coat of glue on the napkin cutout. Apply thin layer to avoid wrinkles. With a little practice, you will get a clean finish. Once it is done, allow to dry. After drying, this is how it will look. On top of the bottle, I am adding the lace to make it attractive. In this beautiful bottle, I am keeping spoons and forks. You can keep whatever you like. If you enjoy watching this video, then like, share and subscribe to Full of Jeevan. Thanks for watching. Do check out our other videos.